a very young age, I became a mom, and that was when I really started thinking about the fact that, like, I didn't really believe that I would find a career that I truly loved. Especially because when I had my daughter at age 20, I became a stay-at-home mom, and so I was like, maybe that's my purpose, is just to be a mom. But at the same time, I didn't feel fulfilled. I wanted a career. I wanted something that I really enjoyed doing, but I felt like since I started working at a young age, I've tried almost everything. I worked at fast food. I was a nanny. I worked at a daycare. I worked at a high school. I was a substitute teacher. I was a lifeguard. I was in the military. Like, I felt like I exhausted all my options because all the other things that I could do involved me needing a college education, and I didn't want that, or needed me to be working 12 hours a day, which I didn't want that because I wanted to be around my daughter. Like, I just felt like nothing was for me. And I also wanted to make good money, and the things that I wanted to do that I was maybe passionate about, they weren't going to pay me well because I don't have a college education. And so 6 months ago, almost 7 now, which is crazy to think about, I learned about online digital marketing. And the amazing thing is that you can take whatever you're passionate about and put it into digital marketing. Because digital marketing is just where you're creating ebooks, courses, programs to where you can help other people. And something that I'm really passionate about is helping other moms, but also sharing my life, like mindset, and sharing my story, because I had a crazy childhood and I went through a lot of things at a young age. And so the amazing thing about that is I can take whatever I'm passionate about and put it into an ebook, put it into a course. I can take my experience and help other moms to where they can reach their goals and dreams. And when I started digital marketing and I purchased this program, it taught me how to, one, do online digital marketing, how to create my own ebooks, how to create my own courses, how to eventually create my own programs. And it also taught me how to connect to people around the world. Like, it is something that I'm so grateful that I found because I'm so passionate about it. And the amazing thing is, I can do it around my daughter. I work 2 hours a day, maybe sometimes 3, and I'm able to make around $900 a day. Some days maybe less, but let me tell you, it's good money for the amount of work you're putting in, and it's something that I truly love. And so if you're someone who feels like you'll never find a career that you really enjoy and that you're actually passionate about, look into online digital marketing. I would love to teach you more about it just to see if it's something for you, but you can literally take whatever you're passionate about and fit it into online digital marketing. That way you can make your own schedule. You can be doing what you love, and you can actually have time with your family while bringing in good income. So if this sounds like something you would want to just look into, I would love to share you more information. Just comment interested down below and I will give it to you.